Hello everyone, welcome back to my AI tool series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical ArCoAn. So far in this series, we have already explored many useful AI tools that help students, teachers, content writers and professionals work more efficiently, right? In this video, we are going to explore another amazing AI tool called Napkin AI. This tool can transform your text into diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps and infographics in just few seconds. Okay, also today we will see what Napkin AI is, its key features, how to use it, and finally create our first AI generated visuals step by step. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical ArCoAn. Today we will explore one of the amazing AI tool called Napkin AI. Okay, and also we will see what Napkin AI is, its key feature and how to use it, and finally we will create our first AI generated visuals step by step. Napkin AI, this tool can transform your text into diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps and infographics, right? So at first we should know what is Napkin AI. Napkin AI is an AI powered visual content creation tool that converts plain text into professional diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps and infographics within seconds, right? It helps users explain ideas visually without requiring any design skills, right? Who developed Napkin AI? Napkin AI was developed by the Napkin AI team, a technology startup focused on making visual communication faster and easier using artificial intelligence, right? When was it introduced? Founded in 2023, public beta released in 2024. Key features: convert text into visuals instantly like flowcharts, mind maps, infographics or diagrams, right? Generate flowcharts, mind maps and diagrams. Export in PNG, PDF and SVG formats, right? So let's move to the Napkin AI websites and create our first AI generated visuals step by step, right? So now I'm just within the Google and just type here Napkin AI and press enter. Whatever the first search is given, this link is there, just click on that link and it just open the Napkin AI interface. So to do the job, we need at first sign in. So at first you need to sign in within that website. So I just log in with my Google account, just press sign in and then just go to sign with Google and choose my account. Okay. After give the permission, just it enter within the Napkin AI interface, okay, and just agree and continue. It asks some questions at first. So for personal use, social media content, and choose for video platform and done. Okay, now your Napkin AI tool is ready for your account is concerned. Okay, now we choose for the visuals, not go for the slides. Okay, and now by pasting my text or by describing my idea, so I just choose the second one. Okay, and we just write here whatever the prompt we given, on that basis it will generate the visuals, means the infographics, right? So at first we put the prompt in that way: create a professional infographics explaining machine learning. Okay, and just press enter. So it will take some time. On that basis, it will generate the infographics, means the visual, whatever the topic we given as a prompt for Napkin AI is concerned. Okay, so just see, it just create this type of icon. This means it generate the visuals. Just click on that. Just see, it will generate on that particular info, generate some visual is considered. Okay, so just see, for machine learning is concerned, it will generate this type of visual. We can choose any one of them. We can choose one of them on that case, and also we can put some color, size, and also give the lots of other effects is concerned. But should remember, for Napkin AI is not fully free. Okay, so for that case, what happened? It's my account is concerned. So my account is considered about that. It gives 500 credit left, means every week it actually give the credit. So for starting is concerned, because today I just logged in within that Napkin AI tool is concerned, so just weekly credit is just left 500. Okay, so weekly credit is just left 500. Okay, so if you go for the upgradation, so you should pay for that. If you click on that, so lots of tariff is given. Any one tariff you can choose for the upgradation is concerned. For plus users, $9 per person per month. Pro user, $22 per person per month. And I just use the free, so that's why $0. Okay, so it will take some time and it will generate in that way every visual. So what is the machine learning? This is the info, and it generates the graphics on that respects. Just see, give a particular format and you can choose lots of graphics that are there. We can choose any one of them. Lots of options are there. You can choose any one of them, and also on that basis you can change the color. Okay, for that case you just choose this color in that way, and also you can download it. For that particular visual you can download. So export visual, and it can download into in form of PDF or PPT, whatever you want. So if you want to go for the PDF, just click on that and download. Just take few seconds and it just downloaded in format of the PDF, whatever the visual we just chosen here. Okay, so preparing your PDF take few seconds for generating the PDF from this visual. So just see, it just create, and this is the PDF file just created. Okay, so this type of job you can do. Okay, now go for the another prompt is just given for visual is considered. Choose the second one, and again prompt is given, explain the water cycle as an infographics, and press enter. Same way it will generate at first the info, and after we can transform this info into requisite visual format. This is the beauty of Napkin AI. Okay, so at first is just create the documented part, and after that when some blue icon is given, this icon is given, and if you just click on that, it just generate the visual effects in form of the diagram or in form of the infographics. Okay, so you can choose this one, suppose, and from there, suppose we choose this one, we can change the text font types, bold or italic, whatever. We can download it, anything you can do on that way. Okay, and also for this document is considered, we can choose any document for the visual. We can transform any text into the visualized part, whatever the document you can choose for that case. Okay, and we can also share it for that case, and for when you press this share, you can export PDF. Same way we can go for the PDF format. If you go for single continuous page and download it, so total text and the visual all will just come in form of a PDF file as a document, right? So again, it will take some time to preparing your PDF. For preparation is considered. Same way, just see, it will generate the document, and whatever the visual we just chosen from there is just given into there, right? I hope you have understood how your text transform into infographics or flowcharts or diagram format, right? So we go for the another prompt, choose new napkin, visual, second one, create an infographics explaining how the internet works. Actually, it can work any field, not only for the science, not only for a particular topic. It can generate any type of diagram, whatever the text you are given, and just transform into the visual format, right? So just press enter on that prompt is consideration. Same way, at first generate the text. On that basis, we can generate the visual effects, means the visual infographics, right? So at first generate the whatever the content, requisite content for whatever the query we are given as a prompt. Same way, what is internet? Just click on the diagram icon and it will generate the diagram, and we can choose one of them. Lots of diagram is given, understanding the internet, online activities, interconnected computers, standardized protocols, information sharing. We can choose in that format also, in block, like this type of format. So understanding the internet in that format. Okay. Key components of the internet. If we, there's a lots of key components is given. If you just click on that, how data travels, again generate the visual effect for that text and transform into the visual format, which is give as a better understanding. So you can choose this one, and on that there are lots of varieties is there. We can choose one of them from that. So we can choose the first one. Same way, we can give the lots of things, generate the infographics, just transform the text is consideration. Okay, I hope you understood how Napkin AI works. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. And what are the tagline of the Napkin AI is consideration? The tagline is like that: turn your ideas into stunning visuals with Napkin AI in few seconds, right? If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Techno India Group for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.